I am so glad that the young lawyers are engaged in this project. When Raul Quintero was chair of the Professionalism Commission, he had proposed something that would be almost a mandatory mentoring for new lawyers. And I think it is essential for young lawyers to have the benefit of the experienced lawyers. They may find it within their own firm if they're part of a larger firm, but if they're part of a smaller firm or a lawyer that hangs out his or her own shingle, it is essential. So the question will be, how do you find a mentor that is really willing to take on that relationship? And so that's going to be the challenge. I think there are many lawyers that are probably willing to serve in that capacity. How do you make that happen? So I would think that for somebody getting a large firm, you look for the lawyer or lawyers that the people look up to. What's their reputation in the community? Not just are they the fiercest advocate if you're a trial lawyer, which I was, but what else are they involved in professionally? So getting involved in groups like the Young Lawyers Section, your local bar association, if you're, as a woman, Florida Association for Women Lawyers, if you have in your area a Inns of Court. These are all areas where you're going to find really good lawyers, by and large, being willing to join in, getting involved in local bar activities, getting involved statewide in bar activities. When I think back in my career, before I became a judge, I was always very involved, not just as a woman lawyer, but in the local bar association, local legal aid society. And those are all ways that you end up getting experience as a young lawyer, and make sure, and you start to see who are the lawyers that you can model your own behavior on, because that's what we're talking about. In one respect, a role model. The other part, though, is you don't come out of law school with, you've hopefully come out, besides having a lot of debt, and a fine education. Do you come out with the tools that are necessary to represent clients? It's a major responsibility. And that is where understanding what you need to do, looking to those that have come before you to help guide you, and there's no such thing as a foolish question. So I don't think there has to be one specific mentor, although that would be something wonderful. But I think there's a variety of ways that you look to say, I am going to, as a young lawyer, devote myself to making sure that I learn from others.